Hey guys, I'm visiting with a friend right now and I'm sitting out here in her backyard having a juice and thinking about how lucky I am that I'm visiting a friend who actually had a juicer. And I wanted to talk to y'all about traveling. Just real quick, let me give you a couple of tips when you are eating AIP, which is autoimmune protocol, and traveling. People say, how do you do it? Well, gone are the days of me doing a road trip, stopping to get my coffee, going to a gas station, getting my Doritos, getting my extra large Diet Coke. Those days are out the window. What I did before I drove here, it was about a 3.5-hour drive. I packed an apple, a little container, a little packet of almond butter. I brought a banana and some almonds and several bottles of water because I'm a snacker when I drive. I like to have snacks, and if I don't have any food with me, then I feel unprepared, I feel cheated, and I am afraid that I'll put myself in a position to make a bad choice. So I just pack the right foods in the car and I stick to those foods while I'm driving. And then when I get to the place that I'm going, not everyone has foods that are autoimmune protocol compliant depending on what phase of the program that you're in. So just whenever you go somewhere, go to the grocery store as soon as you get there. My friend was nice enough to go call me. I gave her a list and she went and got them for me. But had she not done that, first thing I would have told her when we got here is, hey girl, let's make a trip to the grocery store. And I would get everything that I needed for the 2 or 3 days that I was gonna be here. And then I feel very, very prepared and not stuck. So that's what's important, is to not feel stuck and don't feel embarrassed to need to have your foods that you're comfortable with that work for you around you at all times. I hope that helps.